This is the elevator, 57 South 9th Street in Indiana, Pennsylvania. It's another one of these 80s Canton Easterns with GAL RWB. Although I'm sure Eastern Region. There's a big mirror in the back. Oh, no, it's Reliance. It's not Reliance. Is the basement open? It is open. Here, go down. It's hot in this elevator. Your basement. Key switch by the Reliance elevator. On the floor right now. Parking lot, your basement. 3 penthouse. That's probably locked. All right, 2. I'll show you here 2, and here's most of the burnout except for the arrows. And 1 certificate. No phone. It's a basic figuring we have here back at 1. It's a pretty quick elevator, not less than a minute. This door is closed. You need a car to get back out. That's not good. They're closing. That's gonna go. I guess you can exit there.